Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable serial ATA controllers on RAZER Blade 15. To do it, you need to be in the BIOS, which if you don't know how to enter, there's a video on our channel on how to enter BIOS on the RAZER Blade 15. Once that's done, go to the chipset section and find Sata and RST configuration. Click on that and then find Sata controllers. Now you can enable or disable them. Once they are enabled, you can also go to Sata mode selection and you can set it to AHCI or Intel RST Premium with Intel Optane system acceleration. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.